Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a user on Windows 11. There are many ways to create a user on Windows 11. The first way that I'm going to show you is to create a user from the settings app. So let's open the settings. Click on Accounts, scroll down, click on Other Users, and here click on Add Account. Enter your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, then click I don't have this person's sign information. Then click Add User without a Microsoft account. Then enter here the username. I'm entering here user 1 and enter the password. Retype the password. And then click Next. So, user 1 is created. The second way is to add a local account from the terminal. To do this, open CMD, click here in Search and type CMD. And then click on command prompt and run it as administrator. Confirm it with yes. And now here enter net user and then username. I'm entering here user 2, proceeding by password. Try to enter here a secure password. I am entering just password 1 as it is just for demonstration, and then enter add, then enter. So the user is created. You can check it here. Just refresh here the accounts. The user, so here user 2 is created. If you want to delete this account, you can just enter this command net user and then username. I'm entering here user 2 and /del. So the user is deleted. To check it here, refresh once. User account. So you see the user 2 is not listed anymore here. The third way is to create a user account on Windows 11 using computer management. To do this, press Windows key and X at the same time, and then appear this menu, and then click on computer management. And then click here on local user and groups, expand it, and click on users and right click here and click on new user. Then enter the user name I'm entering here user 3, and you can add here the full name and description. I'm leaving these fields empty, and then create user. Close it. So user 3 is created. You can also see it here under settings, accounts, scroll down, and other users. Here user 3 is created. The fourth way is to create a user account on Windows 11 by using the command net plwiz. Enter this command on command prompt, and then press enter. Then open this this window. Then you can add here. Click on add and enter the Microsoft account address and click next, and then you can create a user. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.